So if you're starting YouTube in 2023 and you constantly keep asking yourself if you need an expensive camera or expensive gears to record your videos, then let me tell you the answer is a big no. You can build your vlogging kit in a budget. Yes, you heard it right. So let's just get straight into the video. Hi guys, I'm Anushree. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a year since I started this channel and I have been filming places since many years. So through the years I have experimented with my phone and also bought equipments that could up my game. But since I'm a tech freak and also videography lover, I chose equipments that would also make my pocket happy. So if you're starting a YouTube channel this year or you're looking for cheap equipment alternatives, then this video is for you. And don't forget to stick till the end because there's a bonus section at the very end. So that would be helpful for you too. So first thing that I ever purchased was this Gorilla tripod. So it has been there with me for since 2 years now and it works perfectly fine. I think it's only just become a little dusty, but it is easy to clean. And it also comes with a mobile holder. This is not the one. It comes with a mobile holder and a Bluetooth remote. So this is very helpful because if you're a solo traveler like me, you always don't have friends or someone who could click your photos. So you place this and you connect this to your phone. Both it's compatible with both Android and iOS. You connect it with your phone and you can click photos and videos without any hassle. So this has been my best purchase up till now, and I think this is really good for stability, and it's also easy to hold while you vlog. So it's lightweight. So it also comes with a rotatable head, so you can move it according to your use, and it also can be fit anywhere. I'll leave few videos where you could see how I have used this. So yeah, this is really good. Even though I have rough used it for 2 years, it works perfectly fine. I don't think I need to buy another small Gorilla tripod. So this comes to my second equipment, that is the mobile holder. So actually this Gorilla tripod comes with a mobile holder, but since it has been 2 years, I think I have managed to break it. So I had to replace this, but I think this is also one of my best purchases. So it is quite sturdy and it can be used both for reels and for YouTube videos, and it's really good quality, so I know that my phone will not fall off. So third is the selfie stick. So I don't actually use it for selfie. I use it for wide angle shots or to use it as my fake drone to get shots from the above. So I use it for wide angle because if the phone is not compatible, then it comes handy. But when you extend it till the maximum capacity, you can get shots from a height which can act as your drone, so no one will know except you. So I have used this in Delhi, and I got really good shots. So yeah, I highly recommend this too. So this is the video I'm taking from the phone audio. So you can hear the cooker whistle noise, and there's the fan running, and I'm near the balcony, so it's a lot of disturbance. So now let's switch to the microphone audio. So now you would have noticed the difference that it's much more clearer and there's noise cancellation. So this is really helpful when you travel to places where there's a lot of noise and you want to take A rolls, which is you talking in front of the camera, and you want the person to hear what you're saying, right? So the fourth is the most important thing that you need before you start a channel, that is the microphone. So all the videos that I have posted before using this have not got quite good views because the audio quality was not good. Even though I used to do voiceovers, but I think after I've started using this, my video has improved in quality, because the audio quality is the most important in any video. So this is a wireless microphone that I've got, which is C type, but you also get for iOS. So this is the Granero. It comes in a good packaging. So there's one that goes here, and the other one you connect your mobile phone and you're good to go. The only thing that I found as a drawback was that this thing doesn't work with my normal camera. Mine is a Samsung phone that I'm using, so it doesn't work with the normal camera. But I think it's still okay. I had to install a app named Open Camera, which I'm using now. But I think even the video quality of this is good. So yeah, if I have to use another app for this, I don't mind. So before I used to use this heavy microphone when I used to record my voiceovers. After that, after I have got this, I don't use that that much. But yeah, if you're looking for sit down video microphones, then I think microphones like this would do good, because the audio quality might be much better. I am not sure. Maybe I should do audio uh, check, but I think this is perfect if you have to film any kind of video. So fifth is something I don't think you would have ever thought of using it as what I use. So it's this waterproof mobile cover. So I actually bought it during Holi, because I wanted my phone to be safe. So I bought a set of two, pack of two, which was I think 500 rupees for two. But I kind of used it for my videos to get underwater shots, and I don't think I was disappointed at all. I think this works as a perfect alternative for a GoPro. So I have tried and tested it in Ahmedabad, and it keeps your phone safe, because there's a locking that it has. Plus, it has a string that you can attach and you can put it around your neck, so you don't lose your phone underwater. But yeah, I have used it in my staycation vlog Ahmedabad. I'll link it up, um, and you can see that, and you will know that why I got the maximum views on that video, because the underwater shots were attracting. And yeah, I think this can be your game changer if you want to if you want a GoPro but you don't have the budget. So this, you should try this hack. And the last equipment that you would need to start a channel would be this pen drive. If your phone is C type, or you also get for iOS, I think. So I bought the SanDisk pen drive, which I use to transfer my videos and photos after I have clicked it in my vacation. So this is an alternative for a expensive HDD or SSD. So this is 64 GB only, but it works great, because I can transfer my photos and videos on the go if I'm running out of space in my phone. And yeah, I think this is a good storage device that fits in your jeans pocket also. So yeah, so this was all that I have bought since 2 years, I think. So coming to the bonus section, I want to tell you how I just use my mobile phone for filming, and it has been 2 years till I have got really good shots. And yeah, so let me tell you about it. So I'm using the Samsung M31s, and I use the normal camera of it, but I change the settings to 4K mode, and also get on the stability, and get the grid lines, so I know how to capture and frame the perfect shot. And sometimes I also play with the ratios or the lightings, And if I have to get some good photos, then I use a pro mode where I could manually change the lighting and all the settings. So coming to the main part, you can build your own vlogging kit in only 3,500, and yeah, you're ready to go for how many ever years. I think this would suffice if you're a beginner at least. So to break down the cost, the Gorilla tripod costed me 345 rupees with the Bluetooth remote and the mobile holder. Then the selfie stick that I had bought was 300 400 ish. Then the microphone was 1709, I think. And then this transparent cover that I got was 300 for one and 500 for two. So like you can get the two one so that you save 100 rupees. And the C-type pen drive was for 700. So I think if you want to buy only one thing right now, then it would be this Gorilla tripod that is really essential to get stability. So that this would be your first purchase that you should make. And yeah, you're good to go. So if you like this video and you found this video helpful, then please hit a like, subscribe, and share it to your fellow YouTubers so they too could benefit from this. So my whole point of creating this was because I have never seen any YouTube videos who have used such cheap alternatives. So I thought they should go out so you too can benefit from it. And yeah, so this comes to the end of this video. But if you want me to make a part 2 of it for an advanced level, or after I upgrade my equipment, then I would love to make a part 2 of it. So let me know in the comment section. So yeah, see you in another video. Bye. You can build your own vlogging kit in just 300 में क्या मिलेगा guys?